Need to fix replace audio option not showing on Instagram, then you're on the right video. So you might be in the position where you try to replace the audio from your Instagram post, but you are not being able to and the option is not showing up. In this case, first thing first, head over to your application app store. In the address bar, you need to search for Instagram. Click on this app. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then simply click on update. Most of the time, updating the application has also fixed these kinds of issues. Once Instagram is updated, now move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, head over to Instagram. And then click on offload app. Once again, tap on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.